Password generator. Beginner level. Introduction. A password generator is one of the most useful beginner programming projects because it creates random and secure passwords. Passwords are used everywhere, such as email accounts, banking apps, social media, websites, online services. Weak passwords are easy to guess. So many applications use strong passwords made from letters, numbers, symbols. This project is excellent for beginners because it teaches important programming concepts such as variables, strings, random number generation, loops, user input, functions. It is also a practical real-world project that looks good in a portfolio or resume. What is a password generator? A password generator is a program that creates random passwords based on selected rules. In simple words, password generator equals a program that automatically creates strong passwords. A simple password generator may allow users to choose password length, include letters, include numbers, include symbols, generate a random password. Why this project is important? This project helps beginners understand how programs can generate random output based on user choices. It teaches how to checkmark work with strings, checkmark use random functions, checkmark build logic with loops, checkmark create useful tools, checkmark improve security awareness. Because of this, the password generator is one of the best practical beginner projects. What makes a strong password? A strong password usually includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special symbols. Example, A7-MP2 at X. This is harder to guess than a weak password like password 123. A password generator helps create unpredictable and stronger passwords. Simple password generator example. Python. Here is a basic version. Import random characters equals abcdefjjlmnif kurstovwixas abcdefg jklmnop qr stuv wxyz00123456789. Password equals for I in range 8. Password plus equals random choice characters. Print generated password quote password. This program creates an 8-character random password. How the program works. Step 1. Import the random module. The program uses Python's random module. Example. Import random. This helps the program choose random characters. Step 2. Define available characters. The program stores possible password characters in a string. Example. Characters equals abcdefjjlmnif kurstovwixas abcdefg jklmnop qr stuv wxyz00123456789. This includes lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and numbers. Step 3. Create an empty password. The program starts with an empty string. Example. Password equals. Characters will be added one by one. Step 4. Generate random characters. A loop runs multiple times. Example. For I in range 8. Password plus equals random choice characters. Each loop adds one random character to the password. Step 5. Display the password. Finally, the generated password is printed. Example. Print generated password quote password. Improved password generator with symbols. A better version includes symbols and user selected length. Import random characters equals abcdefjjlmnif kurstovwixas abcdefg jklmnop qr stuv wxyz00123456789. At $% and asterisk. Quote. Length equals int. Input. Enter password length. Quote. Password equals. For I in range. Length. Password plus equals random. choice, characters, print, generated password, quote, password. This version is more flexible because the user chooses the password length. Password generator using functions. A cleaner version can use a function. Import random. Def generate underscore password. Length. Characters equals absidifjajlmnifkerstuvwixas abcdefg jklmnop qr stuv wxyz012345678 at hash $% and asterisk. Quote, password equals. For I in range. Length. Password plus equals random. Choice. Characters. Return password. Length equals int. Input. Enter password length. Quote. Print. Generated password. Quote. Generate underscore password. Length. Using functions makes the code cleaner and easier to reuse. Concepts learned from this project. Building a password generator helps beginners practice. Checkmark strings. Checkmark loops. Checkmark functions. Checkmark user input. Checkmark random number generation. Checkmark simple security concepts. These concepts are useful in many programming tasks. Real-life analogy. A password generator is like a machine that mixes letters, numbers, symbols, to create a secret code. Instead of a person choosing a weak password manually, the program creates one automatically and randomly. Ways to improve the password generator. Once the basic version works, beginners can add more features. Examples. Let users choose whether to include symbols. Let users choose whether to include numbers. Generate multiple passwords at once. Copy password to clipboard. Check password strength. Build a GUI version. Create a web-based password generator. These upgrades can turn the project into a strong portfolio app. Example with user options. Here is a more advanced beginner version. Import random. Lowercase equals absidifjajlmnifkerstuvwixyez. Uppercase equals ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. Numbers equals 012345678 Symbols equals at hash $% and asterisk. Quote, characters equals if input include lowercase letters yn. Quote, equals y. Characters plus equals lowercase. If input include uppercase letters yn. Quote, equals y. Characters plus equals uppercase. If input include numbers yn. Quote, equals y. Characters plus equals numbers. If input include symbols yn. Quote, equals y. Characters plus equals symbols. Length equals int. Input. Enter password length. Quote, password equals for I in range. Length. Password plus equals random. Choice. Characters. Print. Generated password. Quote, password. This version gives the user more control. Common mistakes beginners make when building a password generator. Beginners often crossmark forget to import random. Crossmark do not validate password length. Crossmark generate passwords from too few characters. Crossmark forget to handle the case where no character type is selected. Crossmark write repeated code instead of using functions. These mistakes are normal and help beginners improve logic and debugging skills. Where password generators are used. Password generator logic is used in password manager apps, browser security tools, account creation systems, security applications, IT administration tools. Similar random generation logic is also used in OTP systems, verification codes, coupon generators, token creation systems. Simple definition. Password generator. A program that creates random passwords using letters, numbers, and symbols. Final summary. The password generator is a great beginner project because it teaches how to create useful and secure random output. It helps beginners learn. Checkmark random character selection. Checkmark string building. Checkmark loops and functions. Checkmark user options and input. Checkmark basic security-focused programming. By building this project, beginners gain practical coding experience and create a useful project for their resume or portfolio.